Today I am going to discuss what is electric field. Electric field is a vector quantity. It is denoted by E. Okay, electric field. Consider a charge, some positive charge. Positive charge gives the electric field in this direction. This is lines of force in all direction, right? Charge, the line of force, positive charge means Q is greater than 0, right? For negative charge, that is Q is less than 0. For the negative charge minus Q, what are the lines of force? It will be like this, is it not? Lines of force is diverging, this is converging. Okay, Q is less than 0, Q is greater than 0. It is an imaginary line. For that I will discuss separately. Now question is, what is electric field? Electric field is what? It is a space around which, this is a space around which electrical effect is felt. Suppose you keep some test charge Q naught. It experiences a force. Suppose Q naught is normally positive. Positive, repel. That means the test charge repel. Here same test charge Q naught get attracted, because this is negative, this is positive, get attracted. What is electric field? It is a space around which electric field is felt. Now consider a charge, a unit charge. Now what is electric field? That is a electric field. This is Q is a charge, a big charge. Okay. Now I keep some test charge Q naught. That is a very big charge. Suppose 500 coulomb, so big it is. Here around 2 coulomb. Test charge is 2 coulomb, so small. Now what will happen? This is so big, isn't it? It is kept at a distance of R. This is also positive. Test charge is always a positive. Then what will happen? There is a repulsion. There is what? Force of repulsion. How you calculate the force of repulsion? Force what? Q1 and Q2 divided by, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1 and Q2, Q1 and Q2 by R square. According to Coulomb's law, Q1, Q2 by R square. Now, according to the definition of electric field, what is the definition of electric field? They will ask you for 1 mark. What is electric field? Electric field is what? Electric field at this particular point. Electric field at this particular point is equal to force experienced by a test charge. Force experienced by test charge at the point. Force experienced by the test charge. Or force per unit charge you can call. This is called force per unit charge. This is the correct definition. Force per unit charge is called electric field at that point. Now what is the force experienced by the test charge Q naught? This is the force experienced by a test charge. This is so much Newton. Now what is electric field? Electric field is equal to force per unit charge. Force per unit charge. You bring this down, what will happen? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Force is what? Newton per coulomb. Newton per coulomb. See, this they will ask you for 3 marks. They will ask you. What are the possible way of asking questions? That is important. Force per unit charge. What is electric? See, they may ask you this question in this way. Derive an expression for electric intensity. That means derive an expression for electric intensity due to isolated charge. Isolated charge. It is an isolated charge, right? This is for 2 mark or 3 mark. This is they will ask for 1 mark. Draw the lines of force. Which Q is greater than 0, Q is less than 0. Convergent, divergent. Right? Now, suppose this is Q is greater than 0. This is minus. Q is what? Less than 0. Line of force start from positive to negative. Right? It emerges and terminates here. It emerges and terminates here. So it goes like this. Writing this diagram also same thing, right? Then it will go out like this. This is coming out, coming and converging. Therefore, separately they will ask you for 1 mark. This is 1 mark they will ask you. What q is greater than 0. This is all 1 mark they will ask you. Draw the diagram 1 mark. What is electric field? Electric field is what? Force per unit charge. What is electric field? Force per unit charge. Therefore, the electric field at any point. Electric field at any point due to a charge. Due to charges. Force experienced by unit charge. Therefore, electric field due to a charge at a point. See, again I will tell you. This is a given charge, right? This is particular point P. Then you keep a test charge here. The test charge is at a distance R. This is positive, positive. This is also the force of repulsion. This is force on test charge is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught and Q naught by R square. This is according to Coulomb's law. How you have to write it? You have to write a sentence. Consider a point charge. What is that? Consider a point charge at A, right? Which produces an electric field in all directions, where E is the electric field in all directions. Let Q naught, this is first sentence. Let Q naught be the test charge. You are right. Let Q naught be the test charge placed at a distance of R. According to Coulomb's law, according to Coulomb's law, force, what is this? Force on test charge is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. But according to definition of electric field, what is electric field? Electric field is equal to, at this particular point, is equal to force per unit charge. Force per unit charge. Therefore, you bring this down. Therefore, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Therefore, what they will write? You are writing the description. You are writing this. This for 1 mark they will give. Then for this expression, also 1 mark they will give. This is Newton per Coulomb. What is the unit? Sometimes separately they will ask, what is the unit of electric field? Now, sometimes they will ask you, what is physical significance of electric field? What is the physical significance? It is important to understand electric phenomena. That's all not required. Concept of, see here, force, suppose, how to represent uniform electric field? This is uniform electric field. Represent uniform. This is 1 mark they'll ask you. Non-uniform electric field. It is non-uniform electric field. See. You are fully crowded. Suppose big charge is there, you are fully crowded. You have divergence. Because electric field is not uniform. Either if it is positive charge, it goes. If it is negative charge, come inside the lines of force. Now, in an electric field, I keep some charge, say. Some charge I am keeping. Q. Need not be Q naught. Any charge, if you keep in electric field, what will happen? It experiences a force, correct? What is electric field? Electric field is equal to force per unit charge. Therefore, force is equal to Q into V. Now, this is a uniform field, say. This is a uniform field. I have one charge, here another charge. This is positive charge, this is negative charge, right? Positive charge. Suppose this is some particular point, midpoint, and let me call this is A, this is also called A, this is what? 2A, right? This is called dipole. What do you call? This is called dipole. What will happen if this is the electric field? What do you observe? Here force is along the direction of the electric field. Force is along the direction of the force. What is the force along the direction of the force? Charge into E. Q into E. Along the direction of the force. This is what? Also what is the charge? What is the force? Force is equal to charge into E. Negative charge. It is opposite to the direction of the field. What will happen when two equal and opposite forces? And what do you call? What is the name of this? It's called dipole. What is a dipole? Dipole is what? Two charges separated by a distance. The magnitude are same thing, right? Magnitude. It's called dipole. When a dipole is kept in a uniform field with some inclined angle, what will happen? It rotates. Rotation or rotational effect is also called torque. We call that. We'll discuss it later. Now remember this. Only one thing you have to remember. If I keep some charge here in uniform electric field, what is the force? Force is equal to Q into E. You understood? So much Newton. Therefore, here they may ask you for 2 mark questions. What is that? Obtain or derive an expression for electric intensity due to an isolated point charge. This for 2 marks they will ask you. What you have to do? Consider a positive charge kept at A. You have to do write on your own word. Let P is some other point at a distance of R within the field, in the electric field. Now, according to Coulomb's law, force acting on this charge Q0 is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Then you bring this down. By definition, electric intensity at a point is equal to force per unit charge. You write by definition, electric force per unit charge, that is equal to, if you bring this, what will get? 1 by 4 Q epsilon naught Q by R square will get it. This Newton per Coulomb. If you write this much is enough. Okay. What is the lines of force and all we will discuss. What is the dipole also we will discuss in the next section. I will tell you what is lines of force next. Lines of force. Forces. Lines of force is what it is. See, this is the positive charge plus Q. Lines of force starting at or emitting at positive charge and terminating, that means ending at negative charge. That is Q is greater than 0, here Q is less than 0. Now here also it starts like this and ending like this. Now this is perpendicular to this direction, see, remember? Here also end perpendicular to the direction. Right? Now they may ask you electric lines of force. If I keep some isolated test charge, I will keep some test charge Q0. It is positive. It is an isolated test charge, free to move. If you know, it will go like this. If you keep it, it will go like this. This is the direction in which lines of force happens. Right? Electric lines of force is it is a path. Electric lines of force is a path. That is important. Path along which a free isolated unit positive charge. This is the free isolated unit positive charge moves or try to move, moves or tends to move. They give. They may ask you what is electric lines of force. What is electric lines of force? If they ask, you have to write that. Now, what is the non-electric? What is it? Which direction it moves? Radially outward. Radially outward or radially inward. You are done. Draw electric field lines in the case of positive charge you are done. That is Q is greater than 0. Draw a electric field in the case of Q is less than 0. Then what they may ask you, if it is greater than 0 and less than 0, how it looks. Now both are, try to understand this. Q is greater than 0, Q is greater than 0. What will happen? This is also positive, this is also positive. Positive repel, isn't it? This will repel. This also repel. Right? See, it repel. You have to draw like this. It will never come like this. See, it goes. See. Therefore, sketch the electric field in the case of two equal positive charge, or they may give you like this. Less than both are negative also repel. Even negative, both are negative also it repel. Can you follow? Then what is the draw a uniform magnetic field, electric field? Uniform electric field will be like this. What are the properties of, see the question is, they will ask you, write any two properties. This is another important question. They will ask you, what are the properties of electric field lines? Electric field. First you have to write the definition. See, what is that electric lines of force? Electric lines of force or electric field line is what? Geometrical representation. It is a geometrical representation. It is always, see, it is the direction in which, I said no, it is the direction which, and here you write this definition. Electric is the path along which the unit positive charge moves or tends to move. Right? Now another thing, here if you take an electric lines of force, see, this is one line of force, this is another line of force is like this is a line of force. See here, no two lines of force can't cross each other. Because I want to find the electric field at this point. Draw a tangent. This is electric field at this point A. Now what is electric field at this point B? At this point draw a tangent. Therefore, if you take a curve, second property is what? In the electric lines of force, you take some point, you draw a tangent that represents electric field at that point. Therefore, the tangent, direction of the tangent gives direction of the electric field at that point. You have to write direction of the tangent is equal to direction of the electric field at that particular point. And no, next another thing, no two electric field intersect. That also important. No two. And otherwise, you will have two directions because electric field is unique. Unique means each point have one particular direction. Two lines of force never intersect because in other words, two directions the imaginary positive charge moves. Okay. Therefore, another thing, they do not form a closed loop. See, in magnetism, North Pole and South Pole, lines of force start, magnetic line of force start, and it form a closed loop. But in electric field, it is not like that because electric charge always reside outside. It start and come like this because, right, it it always perpendicular. So another thing is what? The lines of force is perpendicular to the surface. Right? The lines of force is what? Always perpendicular surface. If this is the surface, positive charge always, positive or negative charge reside outside, and lines of force is always perpendicular to the surface. Can you follow? You write any two property for 2 marks, 2 or 3 marks, they will ask you. That is the lines of force. They may ask you, represent. See, how represent electric field at any point due to a due to a isolated charge electric field graphically. If R is the distance, is it not? R is the distance. This is electric field at any point, because if R is equal to 0, what happens? Any number by 0, infinity. Therefore R is 0, should not be there. Therefore what you write? When R is equal to infinity, any number by infinity is 0. Therefore you will get like this. Electric field at any point is inversely proportional to square of the distance. What title we can give? This is called variation of electric field or electric intensity with respect to distance. With respect to distance from the isolated charge. Understood? In that case, how to represent uniform field here? Uniform field is what? Electric field at any point With the distance, it is always constant. This is constant electric field. This is not the constant. It's not constant. It is changing with respect to distance. Uniform field, non-uniform field. Right? This way you have to write it. Okay, this way they'll ask you for 1 mark. This is also 1 mark they'll ask. Now, I will tell what is electric dipole. Electric dipole. It is the electric dipole is what? Here one is, I already said how the dipole looks like. Okay. Here what I write? Positive, negative. I will write it properly again. See here. One is positive charge. Another is negative charge. And find the midpoint. This is O. This length is A. I will write it. This is also A. This is 2A. Or some textbook they will write. This is small l, they will write. This is small l. This is also small l. This is 2l. Right? This is negative charge and positive. And what is called? What is a dipole? Dipole is a set of, that is what? Set of two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, by a small distance. Right? Now, lines of force starting like this and ending here for a positive charge, and it is a dipole. What is called dipole moment? Dipole moment. Dipole moment is denoted by P. It is the product of, remember, it is the product of magnitude of the charge and distance between them. What is dipole moment? Is the product of the magnitude of the charge and distance between the charge. If you write also, they will see this is 1 mark. What is dipole? 1 mark. And is it a scalar quantity or vector quantity? They will ask you. The scalar vector. Look, dipole. Here what? Negative to positive. See, negative minus q to plus q. This is O. I am going to write L also here. Right? L also write it like this. This is minus q. This plus q. This is dipole moment. Is a vector quantity. Dipole moment is equal to q. This charge is a scalar, but length is what? 2L is a vector quantity. It is called dipole moment is a vector quantity. This is 1 mark. But which direction? What is the direction of the dipole? That also 1 mark. Which direction is going? From what? Negative to positive. Direction of the dipole moment is what? Negative to. How to define that? And what is the unit? Next, another 1 mark they'll ask you. 1 mark. What is the unit? This charge is what? Coulomb. Length is what? Meter. Coulomb meter. This is called SI unit. Therefore, what is the dipole? You know, it is a product of charge and a distance between the two dipole. Right? It is a set of equal and opposite charges. And what is the dipole moment? Dipole moment is a product of charge and the distance between the charges. And is it a vector quantity? Yes, it is a vector quantity. It's from what? Negative charge to positive charge. What is the unit? Coulomb meter. Is it clear? Another question they'll ask you, what is torque? First you must know what is called torque. See, in first PUC you know torque. This is also called moment of a force. Moment of a force. See, don't confuse with momentum. Moment means rotating ability. Rotating ability of a force. Suppose here PUC you have studied first PUC. This is one point A, this point B, I apply here one force, equal and opposite force, separate by a distance. What will happen? It want to rotate like this, it want to rotate like this. Moment of a force is what? Moment of a force. This is also called couple, they call. Moment of couple, they may call, it is called couple. Couple is also called moment of a force. Couple means rotating ability of, what is a couple? Couple is rotating ability of a force. Moment of a couple is equal, also called torque. Torque is denoted by tau. Torque is a vector quantity. Force into distance between the two forces, or perpendicular distance. Always perpendicular distance. Force is what? Newton meter. Which we are going to do this for 3 marks. This is from the first year definition. We have done this. See, they may ask you a question. Obtain an expression for torque. What is called torque? Like this. Obtain an expression for torque acting on a electric dipole placed in a uniform field. See, uniform field E. You know what is called dipole. Now, how to start with? See, you have to make a sentence here. That is how to make a sentence. That is a simple sentence. Because, see, consider an electric consider an electric dipole. See, this is the dipole, I am keeping it. Here, positive charge. This is negative charge. O is the center of the dipole. I will put, can I use L? I will use L or A. Some textbook they use A. Depends upon. L is what? Distance between the two charges was 2L. This is length of the dipole. This is magnitude of the charge. Consider an electric dipole. This is an electric dipole that is plus consists of plus Q and minus Q, magnitude of the charge, with a length 2A, 2L or 2A. A also you can use, small a also you can use, 2A. In a uniform electric field. What is called uniform electric field? This is the uniform electric field. You keep it in a uniform electric field. This makes some an angle theta. Making an angle theta. Theta with the direction of the electric field. See, this is the direction of the electric field. No, theta. This is the direction of the field. This is also theta. Theta. Anywhere you can put theta. All are theta like this. Theta. This theta. Theta. Now what happens? As you know, when what is the force acting on the two positive charges? Now positive charge and negative charge. Then there is what is the force acting on that? Already I said force per unit charge is nothing but electric field. Force is equal to charge into E. Do you remember? Therefore, what is the force on positive charge? This magnitude of the charge and its electric field along the direction of the field. Direction of the electric field. Along the direction of the field. Here what happens? Here also the force acts. Force is equal to minus Q into E. Opposite to the direction of the field. Opposite to the direction of the field. Right? This is in the opposite direction. Opposite to the direction of the field. Here you are right. Uniform electric field. Now you have to make a sentence. Right? Consider. Right. What is exam to the point means? This is answer to the point. Not right point means simply put a dot on it. Answer to the point means you are keeping a dipole, electric pole. That small description you have to mention. Right? Consider dielectric dipole consists of positive and negative charge separated by a distance 2L is kept in a uniform electric field. And each the charge, positive charge, experiences a force of QE along the direction of the field. This is negative charge along the direction of the field in this way. Now here what happens? Two equal and opposites. That means two equal and opposite non-collinear. That is important. Non-collinear. They are not meeting at the same point. Collinear forces constitute or makes constitute a couple. Yeah, couple on the dipole. Couple on the dipole. Therefore, torque, what is the symbol? Tau is equal to moment of force. It's called moment of force. Moment of force is called couple. Force is equal to product of magnitude of the force into perpendicular direction. What is the perpendicular direction here? See, this is the perpendicular, or you can write this is the perpendicular force. See, force into perpendicular direction. Perpendicular. Understood? This is the perpendicular. If this is theta, therefore this is also theta. See, if this is theta, this is also theta, right? Theta. Force, magnitude of force, and perpendicular distance. What is the perpendicular distance from here to here? Here, right? Here A, B, C, you write it. Okay. What is magnitude of force and perpendicular distance between the force, between the forces? Magnitude of the charge is what? Sorry, magnitude of the force. Force is what? QE, right? Magnitude of the force, and perpendicular distance is what? AB. AB. Perpendicular distance is AB. Now here what happens? Here what is sine theta? Here you can write it. What is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to opposite over, sine theta is equal to, sorry, sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite or opposite, what is that? Opposite, what is opposite? Here theta, therefore here also, sorry, see, this is theta, therefore this is also theta, is it not? If this is theta, this is theta, right? Force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance, you can make. You can take, don't bother with it. Force into perpendicular. What is the force? QE. Perpendicular distance is what? A, B, C, D, L, write it. A, B, C, D, L, write it. What is the perpendicular distance? This is perpendicular distance, is it not? Sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, here what I write? This is theta. Opposite is what? CD. CD. Hypotenuse is what? 2L. This is sin theta. Right? What is this? Is perpendicular distance, is not perpendicular. Therefore, cross multiply. 2L sin theta is equal to CD. CD is equal to perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance. Perpendicular means put it. Therefore, here I will write. Therefore, torque is equal to, magnitude of the torque is equal to QE. Perpendicular distance is equal to 2L sin theta. 2L sin theta. Therefore, what I write here? E Q into 2L sin theta. Q into charge and distance between the charge and C. Charge and distance between the two charges. What? Dipole moment. It is called dipole moment. EP dipole moment sin theta. Right? Tau. I am writing only the magnitude. This is also I can write tau is equal to E cross P, you can write. Understood? E cross P. Because magnetic moment is what? From negative to positive. Negative to positive. E cross P. It is the vector form. Always this is a vector form also is important. But P cross E you have to write it. What is it? P cross E. Because it is rotating. Right? It is inside. Therefore, tau is equal to P cross E. Understood? P cross E. Therefore, it is inside. Right? Tau is inside. Therefore, this is they will ask you for 3 marks. But sometimes they will ask you for 5 marks also. Right? 5 marks also. Right? How do they ask the 5 marks? You have to derive an expression. Discuss. If they ask, discuss. How to discuss for the 2 marks. That I will tell you how to do this now. Here, see case 1. Case 1. Here minus q, this is plus q, right? What will happen? It is rotational effect, right? Case 1, q is equal to, what is that torque? E P sin theta. Magnitude only I am writing it, right? Now, case 1, if theta equal to 0, what happens? Case 1, theta equal to 1. That means what will happen? This is the electric field, is it not? Uniform electric field. Here, plus q, this is minus q. This is the force is acting this direction. Here also force is acting this direction. Force is equal to QE. Here also QE. There is the same direction. Therefore, it is stable equilibrium. This is called stable equilibrium. Now what happens? If it is in case 2. Case 2. Now I keep it like this. That is an uniform field. This is plus q. This is minus q. The force is in this direction. There are also forces in this direction. 2 equal force. This is 2L. This is F. E is electric field. What will happen? Theta is equal to 90, is it not? When theta is equal to, see, sin 0, 0. Therefore, torque is equal to 0. You will not experience any torque. It is a stable equilibrium. Torque is 0. Here what happens? Torque is equal to sin 90 is what? Sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, what is the torque? EP sin 90 is what? 1. Therefore, EP is called maximum torque. Then I can case 3. Case 3. What will happen? Here electric field is this direction. Understood? Normally we keep positive charge this place and negative charge this one. Now I keep the positive charge here. Plus q. Minus q is what? Like this. Which direction the electric field will happen? For this electric field is opposite to this side. Here also opposite. Theta is equal to 180. Cos sin 180 is also what? 0. Therefore it is rest. But this is unstable. Unstable equilibrium, because slightly tilt, no? Suddenly it will come back like this. It is okay. Equal and opposite forces acting in this direction. Okay. Slight tilt also, suddenly it will reverse. Therefore unstable equilibrium. Now I have said what are the, if they will ask you for, they may ask you for 3 marks or 5 marks. Again, a short revision, I will tell you how to do this. In electric field, uniform electric field, keep a dipole. This is plus q, this is minus q, right? O, 2L is the length, okay, which makes an angle theta. Therefore, here is the force. What is the force? QE. Here is the force. F is equal to minus QE. In the opposite direction, this is along the direction of the electric field. Along the direction of the electric field, the opposite. Then what? 2 equal, what is torque? Then from here, that is what? A, B. Then from here drop a